41, day one. Sketch a service map for a subscription-based business. And thinking about the week-long challenge, I'd encourage you to pick whatever that is first. So you're a subscription-based business with a complex ecosystem that also has some sort of complex reservation. So hypothetically, you have a subscription to a gym that has a lot of complex classes and interactions to it, and also has a reservation for either part of the facility or a class in the gym. Create a service map that shows the user actions, Frontstage interactions with the user sees, the Backstage processes, support system, so on and so forth. So this is where your service blueprint comes in to play. And just think through it. And I think one of the challenges with service blueprints is finding the relevant and meaningful touch points that exist, and knowing when to be more specific and knowing when to be less specific on each one. That there's a moment where you just sort of have the right ones there, and you're mapping the flow from the user to the front stage, the backstage to the front stage, including all the support systems. And this may require a little bit of massaging once you have all the elements in there. So generally, it's just good to drop them all in, drop your first sort of understanding of it in there, and then start to move things around and insert additional details where they need to be, and start removing things where maybe it was mistakenly added. You can do this in anything. I think Miro works well. Figma might slow you down a little bit unless you're very, very good in it. Same with Sketch. FigJam, you can move pretty quickly. But yeah, just think through that. Go to the service blueprint link that we've included. And I know Miro has a service blueprint template, or a few of them, so it should make it relatively easy. But just a fun exercise to see how services work. And I'll see you on day 2.